Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday everybody. We're gonna be doing some cotton balls today with some Vaseline. And the reason I'm doing this because I was watching a video from Harshman Hills and he fired up some cotton balls. So you know, cotton balls, it seems like at one point cotton balls were the thing to get. You know, everyone had them, everyone carried them, everyone talked highly of them. And it just kind of fell to the wayside. It's like, well, even just mentioning it, people are like, cotton balls. Like, now we all have to go with these more expensive fire starting products, which basically are cotton based with some accelerant or petroleum based products. Like, so it's basically the same thing except cheaper. And, you know, and you can get cotton balls and Vaseline at the dollar store. So $2, well, $2.50 now because they raised the cost of everything. And you can get, you know, any kind of container. This is just literally just a pill bottle. So, you know, I already paid for the medication, so the bottle was recyclable. I mean, you can use really anything to carry them in, Ziploc bag, whatever. So let's fire up some cotton balls, because why not? You know, I think they're a forgotten, extra awesome fire starter. But first, let's jump to this week's channel shout out. Alrighty, let's do this week's channel shout out. Give a little pre-mix. Get one of these guys to come flying out. And there we go. Alright, who is it this week? It is... oh, cool. It's CARROLL. I might have drawn her name before, but hey, you know what? That will be fine, because she's a sweet lady. Where's her sticker at? Oh. She got to show her sticker because she's on the boat. Come on, camera. This camera's got the slowest zoom. Well, that's all max zoom. Well, here's her sticker. She's got a tiger. Really cool. Sitting next to Kevin's Adventures. Plain old Chuck. Yeah, you can see that. Redneck Renegade. I got James G. Oh, I got a third CARROLL sticker. Cool. Forgot about that one. And Backpacking with Buckley, Carolina Chris Outdoors, Michael Bruner, BC Gerbs. She's doing a contest for him, by the way. Plain old Chuck again, Dominic Manischetti. There we go. Of course, her channel will be linked down below, and go check it out if you're not. And yeah, let's get to the burn. Alrighty. Oop, as I throw my tin. I'm actually going to be doing a couple of piles here, because why not? I feel like, as I said, I feel like cotton balls, you know, the love for cotton balls seems to have gone to the wayside. And this is how I carry my Vaseline. It's just literally a little screw top container. And I just put the lid on and cut it down, because if I wanted to put on for a little lip balm, I can just swab some out, put it on my lips, or I can use it on really whatever I wanted, or in this case a cotton ball. As I flip it upside down, wow, it just doesn't want to stay, does it? Okay, you're gonna lose this fight there, sir. There we go. And then I'm gonna put an extra one on here. And all I do is I just pop it back on top, put the lid on, keeps it safe. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna represent Team Bic Lighter. Easy. You get the Dominic Manischetti Dominator with the Nathan 4071 ferrule rod. That 4 one and done, or 2 one and dones, and then a lighter. Excellent. What's not to love, man? I mean, it burns so well. The Vaseline has a nice accelerant, keeps it nice and long burning. These do not have any, but see how they're already burnt up. inexpensive too. That's the thing that gets me. You can literally get these for crazy cheap. You don't have to spend a lot of money on fire starters when you can just get cotton ball and Vaseline, man. Pure win every time. Do not see how you could lose. They got a nice burn time too. And if I was to stack sticks on these, and those are just dollar store cotton balls. They weren't even the name brand big cotton balls you can get at the big box stores. You know, like the larger ones. Those are just, you know, dollar store, but I just put two together. There's still a little bit of flame coming off this one, but I'm just gonna throw it all together. Excellent. Man. Cotton balls. Respect. A little bit of Vaseline, you're good to go. Dude. Nothing wrong with that at all. All right, 343 on the camera, and it's still burning. I mean, I did kick the piles together, but that's a pretty good burn time for something simple and cheap. And 4 minutes. Kind of curious to see how long it's going to take, how long it will take to burn out. I might have a little extra Vaseline on that one. That one was actually the one that was giving me a little bit of trouble too. So almost 4.5 minutes and still got a nice flame. It may not be a $20 fire starter, but you know, we're at 4 minutes 43 seconds. Not in count, well, I guess if you want to count when I lit it, but nearing 5 minutes. Alright, just hit 5 minutes. 5 minute burn time for something, I don't know how much it would be if you broke it down. What, 10 cents, maybe less? Yeah, just a fantastic fire starter. Alright, so while I was kind of putting away my stuff, I got to thinking about my comment about the expense of those fire starters. And you know, the thing is, you know, yeah, they're like $20, sometimes more. And yeah, they may be waterproof because, you know, they're wax or something like that. But, you know, how often you can be out making fire in the rain? Honestly, I mean, I usually try to avoid rain because it's a pain in the ass. So, you know, so carry them and, you know, keep them in your fire kit. Keep the expensive, more expensive waterproof ones in your fire kit, and when you need it, you have it. But then use natural materials like birch bark, fat wood if you can find it, tree bark if you can get it, or there's available in your area, or cotton balls and Vaseline. All those are winners, and you don't have to, and you can hang on to the waterproof fire starter for a long time and not have to use it. And when you actually do need it, you can just light it and have it go. So just food for thought. And as always, I do tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there keeping our country safe. It doesn't matter if you're a recruit or you're a veteran. And let's not forget, 22 a day, 22 a day, no more. 3,800 people a year take their lives. So it should be zero. Let's reach out, help if we can. Hopefully they get some help, they talk to someone. Even if you're not a veteran and you're just struggling with through life, I mean, try talking to someone. You know, maybe reach out. I'll put the link down below for the Mission 22. website and also the suicide prevention hotline. Get that number to someone you know is struggling. Maybe they could just talk to someone. So, and with that, I thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. Happy Friday. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Oh, and there's a cooking video tomorrow morning, so stay tuned for that.